So it's important that we understand ourselves, and we have the openness to, and the desire, the motivation to look inside, because we are asking our clients to do the same thing with us and for us. It's a manualized process. This is an emotional process because the topic of the day is low self-esteem and shame and self-disgust. And people that suffer from self-disgust or self-loathing or are dominated by shame and low self-esteem, that's how they feel. Much worse than how you are feeling now when you're practicing some discomfort, if you like, when you're practicing looking inside. And we are arrogant enough sometimes as therapists to believe that our clients should want to connect with us. They are motivated to connect with us. No, they're not. They're desperate. They fear you. They're timid. They're shy. They're ashamed. They have low self-esteem. They don't want to connect with you. They'd rather not be there. It's as simple as that. They don't want to be there, but they feel they haven't got a choice because whatever it is that they feel inside, they need to get over it in order to survive. It's just survival. Their survival instinct is kicking in, and it's screaming at them, go and get some help, get yourself back together again, because you're not going to get very far in life if you continue along these lines. And that's why they're there. They're desperate. Make no mistake. They're not there because you're a great therapist. They're not there because you're kind.